2022 Mercedes-Benz GLS. With less than 35,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It strikes the perfect balance of fun and function while offering automatic parking, side view mirrors with turn signals, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, parking aid sensor, third row seating, heated side view mirrors, moonroof, backup camera. Not finding what you're looking for? Give us your feedback.